What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Lunar Classic, which has been pumping in value guys. As you can see, 77% up. It was about nearly 100% up earlier today, but as you can see, it has taken a slight dip in value. What has caused this massive pump? Obviously Lunar Classic is the old Lunar, and Lunar 2.0 has been launched, and off 2 to 3 days after that it's had a major pump up in value. So what has caused this? What is the reason for that? That's what we're going to be looking at into today. Is it worth buying? Is it not worth buying it? As you can see here, the trading also has gone up, but the trading volume has also gone up by 151% in the last 24 hours, making it $252 million. So a huge amount of money is being traded on Lunar Classic at the moment. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto because it has gone up in value. So that's what we're going to be going through today and looking at. Is it going to literally straight drop back down in value, or is it going to keep pumping up in value? And obviously focusing on Lunar 2.0 as well, and looking at what potential that crypto has. But before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again, just a little disclaimer for all of you guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So yes, we did see a Lunar Classic pump last week as well, about 3-4 days ago, or about a week ago even, sorry. We did see a major pump up in value when it went up about 100%, and then straight away literally dropped back down a few days later. Is the exact same thing going to happen to Lunar Classic? Potentially, that's what my predictions are. Yes, it's pumping right now, but as you can see, it's already started to drop down in value, and more or less I'm expecting it to over the next couple of hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting more red candlesticks, so potentially going back to what it was worth about 12-14 hours ago. So let's have a look at this one quickly. Binance airdrop this week could cause a bigger Lunar 2 price dump guys. This is not looking too good at all. So Lunar 2.0, since it got launched, overall it's dropped about 70 to 75% down, even though right now, if I go back to, let's have a look here, if I go to the new Terra Lunar, it shows it as it's, it's still doing quite well. Lunar, sorry, TERRA, this one here, this is the Lunar 2.0. It's showing as 10% up at the moment, making it $6.55. However, if I look at the overall chart, as you can see, it literally dropped from about $16-17, nearly hitting $20. It has dropped all the way down to $6 at the moment, which is not looking too great, and is expected to drop even more. So let's quickly have a look. I'm not going to go in too much detail. The rebirth of Terraform Labs ecosystem and cryptocurrency has not quite gone to plan, and there could be more pain ahead for recipients of the Lunar airdrop that plan to hold. Terra rebooted its network on the 27th of May with a brand new Genesis blockchain and Lunar token. Over the weekend, holders of the old UST and Lunar Classic tokens were airdropped the new Lunar token, but there was a little reason to celebrate. As reported by Bain Crypto, Lunar 2 has crashed heavily since the airdrops began. The token debuted and hit a peak of price of about $19 before dumping 78% to a low of $4 on 28th of May. So literally the day after it got launched. It has recovered slightly to trade at just over $6, which is what it's worth at the moment, during the Monday morning Asian trading session. But overall, the token has been smashed around 70% in just a couple of days. So I did mention to you guys in my previous video before it got launched, it is a risky investment. It's not a sustainable project, just like what Mark Cuban said. It's not really a sustainable project. He hasn't invested into it, and that puts a lot of people off when big crypto investors are not investing into these kind of projects. So the only winners appear to be the centralized exchanges profiting from trading fees, as well as the sell-off accelerated. One of those exchanges, Binance, may have a greater influence on short-term Lunar prices as it prepares its own airdrop. So yeah, more or less, at the end of the day, the people who made the money is the exchanges that take your little fees. Other than that, most people are on a loss at the moment with a Lunar 2.0 and Lunar Classic as well. More pain from Binance. The world's largest exchange has yet to initiate its airdrop to Lunar and USD Classic holders, but when it does, the sell-off could accelerate, according to Terra researchers Terra Watcher. Binance will begin its multi-year airdrop on Tuesday, May the 31st, which is tomorrow. According to an announcement over the weekend, it will also list Terra 2.0 in its innovation zone, a dedicated trading area. New high-risk and high-volatility token can be traded. The researcher said that Binance can move markets because it has 15.7 million in liquid Luna, which will be available to users on Tuesday. He added that Binance users are likely to dump the token because the exchange offered staking through the Anchor protocol. So again, it's not looking too great. Zero plans to buy Luna 2.0, but I will dump any airdrop if I get something on Binance, says Lark Davis. So at the moment, everything looks a shambles at the moment. Luna 2.0, Luna Classic, they're not going to plan, and obviously Do1 did expect this to be a success, otherwise why would he launch it? And at the moment it's not showing any sign of success, but going downhill. But again, I myself, I'm not buying any more Luna 2.0, and I haven't bought any anyway. I'm just holding on to my Luna Classic at the moment. I won't be selling it. I'm just going to be holding it for the long run and see where it goes. But again, I don't believe in it for the long run or even for the short term as well. But again, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and want daily price updates and predictions on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to see where the market is heading towards. The link to that will be in the description box down below. You can join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join. After that, it will increase to $29.99, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left for this discount. Again, the link to that is in the description box down below. So I show you guys what cryptos I'm buying, the reason I'm buying them as well. As you can see, I bought some Ethereum and Solana a couple of days ago, and I also answer some of your questions and give you guys price updates and predictions on Bitcoin on a daily basis to show you guys where the market is heading, upwards, downwards, and so on. And obviously someone has asked me, could you give us an update on Solana and Ethereum as well, which I have done below that as well. But yeah, any questions or any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. But yeah, Terra Classic is pumping right now, as you can see, 89% right now. But again, as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to drop back down in no time. Potentially later on today or tomorrow, we're probably going to see it drop down, and it's going to be up by like 10 or 15%, nothing major. But yeah, these are my latest updates and latest news on Luna. It is pumping right now, but yeah, I'm expecting it to drop. But again, I will be back with another Terra Luna update later on today. You guys have asked me for daily updates, which is what I've been doing over the last week and a half to 2 weeks time. Again, if you guys want to keep updated, keep want new updates and news on Luna, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Make sure to check out the link in the description box down below for the 50k subscriber giveaway. I will be picking the winners this week, this Friday, so make sure you get involved if you guys want to be one of the 9 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies. More details are also on my Instagram. I've also made a post on it, so make sure you go check it out there as well. The next target is 100k subs, so please guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as well. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.